In this video, the Bitcoin price is finally breaking out of this pattern that I've been talking about so much. What I've been saying for the past few days is that I believe that this pattern is most likely going to break out to the upside here in the next few days, and right now we are seeing this breakout happening. I want to show you all of the clues that I found in the chart that led me to believe that this was going to happen, and I'm also going to show you this target that is all the way up here. I'm going to show you the exact target, but I'm also going to show you one problem area right here. This area could give Bitcoin some problems, and I want to show you exactly where it is. So Bitcoin is right now back above $10,000. How long can we stay above 10,000? Well, let's take a look at all of the evidence we have in the chart, and if you think that that sounds interesting, then I think that you should definitely watch this video. Hello guys, and welcome to the moon. My name is Carl and I'm here to bring you this Bitcoin video. And look at this. Bitcoin is finally breaking out of this horizontal triangle that I've been talking about for a few days. Essentially what I've been saying here is that we have support and resistance, these two yellow lines. Bitcoin is bouncing between them, and eventually Bitcoin is going to have to break out of this triangle. And what I've been saying is that it's likelier that we break to the upside because this is a bullish continuation pattern. So we should break to the upside more often than we break to the downside, and this is what just happened. And this comes after the fact that we actually had this falling wedge that I was also successful in predicting the fact that we were going to most likely break to the upside as we were getting closer to this support here. So essentially we came very close to this support, and this is where we did in fact break to the upside. And then we did see this falling wedge come up all the way up to my target here. And the target that I told you about was, so when we break out, we are most likely going to go up to the target, which is the top of the wedge, which is approximately 9.9K. And now we can see how Bitcoin has successfully met the falling wedge target all the way up here. So where is the target out of this symmetrical triangle? Well, for everyone who is one of my subscribers, you know that I've been talking about this target for a few days already. So we have this symmetrical triangle, and I talked about in this video 3 days ago that we are most likely going to break to the upside, and the target is all the way up here at $11,200. And interestingly, in this video 2 days ago, or more than 1 day ago, I showed this chart, which was the Ethereum chart. And I basically said that because Ethereum broke out of this symmetrical triangle before Bitcoin was able to do it. And what I said in this video was that this is probably a sign that Bitcoin is very, very soon going to break out to the upside. And going back to Bitcoin, we can see that this is exactly what happened now. So this gives more evidence to the fact that sometimes altcoins can provide signals for Bitcoin. That's an interesting thing. I've seen that before with Ethereum, Litecoin, and other altcoins. Sometimes they break out before Bitcoin, and very, very often this is a sign that Bitcoin will follow. And sometimes Bitcoin is the first to do it, but I think it's just a valuable lesson for anyone who didn't know about that already. And if we go into the 4-hourly, just to take a quick look at the volume, I mean, we did see the volume decline for some time in this pattern, which is exactly what we want to see. And now we are seeing these volume candles far surpass all of the other candles in this pattern, except from this big candle. But essentially we are seeing volume come in here. Nothing extraordinary, but we are seeing volume to at least confirm the breakout, which is important. So guys, many of you actually took the trade here based on my video where I said that this falling wedge is going to break out, and most of you are probably still in this trade if you didn't take profits up here. Please leave your comments down below about that. And now please leave your comments down below if you took this trade based on my analysis. I would love to know, guys. Please tell me how much you made from this breakout, and please tell me your game plan. Are you intending to take profits here or not? I'm going to show you exactly what I think is the most reasonable strategy in a position currently. So first of all, as always, when you are breakout trading, as you just did, make sure to put up your stop loss at least in profit, because sometimes we see these throwbacks where the price goes up and then it just completely goes back down again and it breaks to the other side. This is possible Maybe not very likely, but it is possible. So put up your stop loss, make sure that you are now in a profit. So we did see Bitcoin break above 10,000 here. That's a very, very good sign. However, I do also want to point out the big resistance zone that I've been talking so much about for the past few weeks and months even. If we do this, we can see that this is a problem area for Bitcoin between 10.5K down to 10.3K approximately. This is my zone. And as I've said so many times, I am bullish here. Bitcoin is in a uptrend, and I am bullish here. I think Bitcoin is most likely going to break to the upside. However, there is this green zone, and as long as Bitcoin is below this zone, I still think that it's possible that Bitcoin might get a reversal here before traveling further towards 20,000. In my opinion, the biggest bullish signal I am looking for is for Bitcoin to break above this level, and so far we did not. Bitcoin came all the way up to 10,400 here in this big pump, and the top of this level was actually 10,480. So yeah, we did not break this high, so we're still in a lower high. But if Bitcoin is going to meet its target in this symmetrical triangle, which is 10 points or 11.2K, as I've said before, then Bitcoin is going to have to break through this resistance zone. And if that happens, then I am going full on bull. I believe this is a clear signal that we are going to see a big Bitcoin bull run. And yesterday, I made a video actually about the fact that we are seeing another bullish sign here. Let me just show you. So we have so here we have a low and a higher low, and I showed you yesterday that we have a low and a lower low in the RSI. This is a hidden bullish divergence, and what I said yesterday was basically that this is a sign that Bitcoin is currently looking for a bullish move towards the upside. And now in hindsight, we can see that this was very accurate. We did see a break to the upside. And this gives us more also evidence to the fact that these hidden bullish divergences can be very, very powerful, because this time I was able to accurately predict a breakout based on this signal. Now, usually I try to not trade solely based on this hidden bullish divergence, but in this case, we were very, very fortunate enough to have also this symmetrical triangle, which provided us with a perfect signal. So I knew exactly here at the point of the breakout that this is the point where Bitcoin is going to get this bull run, and we are going to get this hidden bullish divergence to play out. Without a pattern, sometimes it can be tricky to play these bullish divergences because you don't have this very clear perfect entry, but here we had a perfect entry at approximately 9,666. And if you are looking for a place to trade Bitcoin, you can use these affiliate links in the pinned comment. If you click my affiliate links here, you will get a bonus when you sign up. $90 here from Bybit, you will get $112 here from Phoenix. This is only for experienced traders, because trading is not something that is easy. It is risky, and it takes a lot of time and dedication to become good at it. So right now, I would like to ask you guys, what do you believe? Do you think Bitcoin is going to get a reversal here from this major resistance area? Or do you believe that we are going to break through this and go extremely bullish in the next few weeks here? And I also want to thank you so much for all of your likes yesterday. Thank you very much for liking and engaging on my videos. And like I've been talking about for the past few days, my channel is currently undergoing attacks from YouTube. My views are currently going down for no apparent reason. It's obvious that YouTube is shadow banning my videos. So the way that you can help is to make sure to like this video, because that triggers the algorithm a little bit extra, and also comment down below your thoughts. I really appreciate it, guys. So please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you so much, guys. I can't thank you enough. I mean, you are the reason why I wake up and make these videos. I love making these videos, and I love reading your comments. And whenever I see that a video is doing well, I get very happy, because I know that I made good content that you guys enjoyed, because usually the YouTube algorithm is very good at realizing if the video is good or not. Because if you guys are liking the video and watching the full video, then usually YouTube pushes it even further. It's just that right now this mechanism does not seem to work. Even when I make a video that I'm really proud of, it just doesn't get the same amount of views anymore. So I think that YouTube is definitely messing with the algorithm somehow. I hope they're not doing it deliberately, but if you want to help out, please leave a thumbs up. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And if you haven't seen my Bybit tutorial, you can watch it right there, right now, and I will see you guys tomorrow.